Hey beauties, it's me, Alegra. Dolls, I'm back home in New York. I'm so happy to be here. You guys know I'm just a homebody, you know. And as soon as I got home, I couldn't believe I had so many packages waiting for me. I couldn't believe it, guys. And the best part is some of them are from you babes, so I can't wait to open them. I told myself I'm not going to let myself open them unless you dolls are here with me, so I can't wait anymore. It's been a few days. It's been like a day or two. So that's more than enough time for me. I can't wait. I gotta open them up. I gotta see what you dolls sent. So let's just go ahead and get right into it and open them up. So the first package that I just reached for, okay, is it a coincidence that I reached for this one, dolls? Because, come on, do you guys see that? The Jeffree Star, the stars, the symbol. You know what this means, right? Oh my god, I don't think I've ever gotten a package from Jeffree Star. I've ordered Jeffree Star cosmetics before, but they came from Beautylicious. Babes, this is from Wendy. So many of you guys know Wendy. You know, everybody loves Wendy. Girl, you are amazing. You have been the most amazing friend to me, and I can't believe it, but she did send me something from Jeffree Star, so I gotta find out what it is. I'm really in shock. When I saw the box, I was like, oh my god, guys. Oh, look at this picture. That is so hot. Oh, I'm saving this. Okay, I'm gonna put a frame on that. That is so gorgeous. That is the most gorgeous shot ever. And Wendy, oh my god, you didn't have to send me anything, girl, but thank you so much. Oh my god, red rum. Oh my god, guys. Oh heck no, I've never seen this packaging. Oh my god, guys, I have the Wednesday, the only one that I have, the ones that I have are like a matte pink. This is freaking gorgeous. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so beautiful, Wendy. Thank you so much. I gotta tell you, I actually wanted to wear red lips tonight. I swear to god. Let me go ahead and put this. I gotta put it on, doll. Thank you so much. I gotta put this on. Oh my god, guys, how gorgeous is this? Oh my god, Wendy, thank you so much. I love it. And guys, did you see Wendy met Jeffree Star? She went to the Morphe store. She met him. She was able to meet him. It was the best picture ever. And guys, Wendy is actually having a I don't know if her giveaway is still going on, but she does have different, you know, giveaways that she hosts. So she has a YouTube channel. It's so funny. I absolutely love watching her videos. So guys, definitely check her out. I will link her channel below, and definitely check her out on Instagram also. She, you know, she has a lot of stuff going on. She's so much fun. She's such a great friend. And so Wendy, thank you so much. I love you, girl. And guys, don't forget to check her out. Check out her YouTube channel and her Instagram, and she has a giveaway. I'm pretty sure it's still going on. So guys, let me keep it going. So guys, another package that I got here, a makeup company called Christen Audette, I think it's called. So they have sent me a package, so let's go ahead and open it up and see what it is. I know I saw their Instagram and they were posting a lot of the lippies that they have. So let me go ahead and open it up. Ooh, this is really nice. So Christen Audette CEO collection. I like that. Oh, wow. Oh my god, guys, look how beautiful. So this, I guess, is their new collection, the CEO collection. Oh my god, I'm really excited to try these. I wasn't expecting all that. Oh, that was so nice. Thank you so much, Christen Audette. I hope I'm saying that right. Let's just take one out really quick. I'm loving the packaging, the crown, because you dolls know we're queens, right? I was just going to post something like that on Instagram that day. It's like, real queens fix each other's crowns. And I'm like, well, bless me with some real queens in my life, because you dolls are queens for sure. Also, these are really nice. This is like really beautiful color. Also, I'll just try company card. Oh, that looks really nice. And, oh, these are really pigmented. Wow. Wow, where's my limo? Because these are really, really creamy. And so those are some of my swatches, guys. That is one swipe. Like I said, that was one swipe and they came out really, really creamy, super pigmented. So I can't wait to actually play with these now and put them on and do some makeup looks with them. So be on the lookout for that. So guys, I also got a package here from Allison Thomas. I know so many of you guys also know Allison as well. Her Instagram is Lush. So she sent me something. I have no idea what it is. This is a total surprise. So let me go ahead and open it. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I never got a package like this before, so I have no idea how to open it. Okay, I took the cap off. It just took me like an hour. Oh my god, what is it? What is it, Allison? Thank you so much. Allison, what is it? Oh my god. Oh my god. It's a beautiful painting of, I think it's Barbados. Oh my god, it is. It's Barbados. Oh my god. I gotta show you how beautiful. Thank you so much, Allison. Isn't that so beautiful, guys? Oh my god. And then there's another one. Thank you so much, Allison. I can hang it in my beauty room. I gotta get a frame for it. Oh my god, Allison, that was so amazing of you. Thank you so much. I truly am so blessed. I can't even believe it. I can't wait though. I'm gonna get a really nice frame and put it we can put it somewhere in the beauty room so we can look at it all the time. See, now you guys, now I'm really not gonna want to leave the house. So thank you so much, Allison. That was so amazing of you. It's so beautiful and so thoughtful of you. So thank you so much. So guys, I also did get a postcard from Frances Ann. Guys, she was in Ireland and London. This girl is all over the world traveling. And she sent me a beautiful postcard. I did leave it in the other room, unfortunately. Thank you so much for sending me the beautiful card, Frances Ann. And guys, I will also link Frances Ann down below. She has a channel, so you can see everything that she was up to in Ireland, all her adventures. So definitely check out Frances Ann. I'll link her channel below. So guys, I also did get a package from Michael Todd Beauty. So I feel so bad because I was away and so I wasn't able to open everything because I was gone so long, right? I don't even know when they sent this. It could have been like a month ago. But I love Michael Todd Beauty. You guys know I'm obsessed with my Sonic makeup brush. So let's see. I'm trying to rip it open, guys. Let's see what they sent. Oh my god, guys. Wow. Oh my god, guys. I wanted this so bad. Thank you so much, Michael Todd Beauty. Oh my god. They sent me this Sonic Dermaplaning System. This actually, they were telling me about it when I went to their event at Fashion Week. And I wanted one so bad. And actually I was telling them, I was like, oh, I want that one. But, you know. So that was so nice of them to send this to me. Oh my god, guys. What it does is it takes off the like top layer. It's like, you know, it exfoliates your skin, but it takes off the top layer, you know, very gently to help you exfoliate and reveal fresh new skin. So I can't wait to try this. It removes, you know, not only facial hair, but the dead skin cells. So you're just left with a super smooth, you know, exfoliated, glowing complexion. Be using that as soon as possible, and I will definitely let you guys know how it goes. I can't wait. Thank you so much, Michael Todd Beauty, and everybody there, Rodney, everybody. Oh my god, thank you so much. And guys, I'm so excited because I just realized they also sent me a Sonic Dermaplaning System for you guys as well. So I'm going to be having a giveaway for one of these on my YouTube channel. So I didn't realize that. But actually, I just went ahead and looked in the box, and so I realized that they did send another one for you dolls, so we can have a giveaway for one. I'm so excited because I didn't realize that, and then I just looked and I was like, what's that? And so there was like 2 in here, so that, you know, that means I sent one for you guys too. So that was so nice. I'm telling you guys, they are just the nicest people ever. Everybody I met at Michael Todd, so it was so nice of them, guys. So guys, oh my god, babes, if you would like to enter to win a Sonic Dermaplaning System from Michael Todd Beauty, then just leave me a comment below and let me know that you'd like to be entered into winning this, and then we'll pick a winner next week. And I'm so excited. This is a total surprise to me too. So thank you, Michael Todd Beauty. Oh my god. And I can't wait for one of you dolls to take one of these home for yourself. So just, yeah, just leave me a comment or just let me know that you'd like to take part, just so that I know this is something that you like. And like I said, we'll pick a winner next week. So thank you so much, Wendy, Allison, Michael Todd Beauty, Christen Audette. I hope I'm saying your name right. Your lipsticks look absolutely amazing. Thank you so much, Wendy, for this. Oh my god, I'm like, you girl, guys, you know, oh my god, I'm like in ecstasy right now. Oh my god, I love it so much, Wendy. Thank you. Guys, definitely check Wendy out. I'm gonna link her channel below. Allison, oh my god, thank you so much for the beautiful paintings. I can't wait to hang them up here in my beauty room. And it was so amazing of you. And Frances Ann, thank you so much for sending the postcard. So guys, I'm so blessed. I'm so grateful. Thank you guys. I love you. Definitely let me know if you'd like to win the Sonic Dermaplaning. Thank you again, Michael Todd Beauty. Thank you again, Christen Audette. And guys, I love you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.